I have no idea what building this is, so hopefully we're in some... Uh-oh. And we just lost it. What the freak? Adams Dover. Ooh, sounds like we have a pretty good motor. Gentex, Edwards, and a smoke. This is the Gabriel Law Office Corporate Center. It doesn't say the address, but I'll get it for you. Oh, I think it's ill. Oh, 2 Lincoln Avenue. I wonder what this is gonna be. This is gonna be like something very weird. It's, wow, good lord, it's stopping on every floor. As you can tell, I'm having a little bit of fun exploring Rockville Center because there's some good stuff over here. Only some interesting stuff. Got to see a few Staleys. And this. It sounds like it has a pretty good motor, so we're in for a good motor here. It's got what appears to be a GAL style indicator with a GAL style CE indicator to stop on too, for crying out loud. This one does not seem like it's going to be an easy ride. Like I said, this is the Adams Traditional. This is my first time seeing this version in the field. Door.
Hi, how are you? And how are you? Good.
It's PTL.
Is that enough? Yeah. Thank you. Nice guys. It's a cold now. Yeah, it's windy. Yes. If it's not so windy, yeah, it wouldn't be alright. Yeah. I'll see you later for night.
Which one are you going to?
4.
Oh, okay. Which one are you going to?
1, please.
Well, that's a weird floor numbering layout. That's weird.
We are going up.
Oh. We'll come back. There you go. I just realized this is the first time I've seen Performer in the field. Alright, we'll take it to basement again. Because I want to try to get a full ride on this. Because this does have a really good motor. It's TK maintains this. Very interesting
I'm
lantern.
not back with the mess.
I'll
Now they want more money.
Y'all going down?
Oh, no. Have a good day.
Which one?
Lobby.
This thing's busy.
Going down, right?
Re-level. Oh, that's weird.
I think we get off at garage, right?
Did you park underneath?
Oh.
Yeah. I think
No, then you need to go down one.
one down.
Yeah.
Is anyone getting out?
You getting out here? No.
No.
Thank you. Thank you.
One down, right? Dad?
Oh.
Dad. We gave from here that we walked around. We walked.
Doesn't
You
matter.
can walk,
We
but
can walk. Because I'm confused.
No.
Yeah. Thank you. Sure.
Somebody's there.
Oh. Which one?
3, please.
Guess not.
Hey.
Hey, I'm downstairs in the lobby.
Oh, so come up to floor 3.
Floor 3? Okay.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Oh, there's 2. Oh, there's 3.
This is 3. Wow, this thing is really busy. Hopefully whoever's going down it stops one of the middle floors because I want... Okay, good. I'm going to try to get a full trip on this. I want to at least get the full trip up. The flip? Down?
Yeah.
Which one?
Lobby's fine.
Here you go. You down? I give up on this thing. There it goes, and yeah, that's enough of that. This thing does have an epic motor, but I'm sorry, I just cannot get this. Anyways, that's it.